Hi, it's our second full day in St. Maarten, really our third day since arriving here, but our second full day in St. Maarten. And I just wanted to take this footage to show you a little bit of the damage from the hurricanes of 2017. This tennis court is damaged. However, there is a working tennis court along the resort in another location. And as I stand here, I see another island all the way out there. Not sure if this camera is picking it up. And it just goes to illustrate how wonderful St. Maarten is to stay on, yes, and also to island hop, because we're so close to so many Caribbean islands right now. So just wanted to share that with you. Have a great day. And here is the tennis court that seems to be in good shape after the hurricane, or hurricanes I should say. So the resort, Simpson Bay Resort and Marina, is on the up and up. The property is still gorgeous. There's some areas that are still in need of repair, but in general, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous resort. The water's coming in! Mommy has pictures of everything you did, so it didn't really go away. Here's our bus for our shopping trip for today. And look what we found in St. Maarten. Cruise ships, Allure of the Seas, and a princess ship out here at port. Of course I had to come see cruise ships today, right? Beautiful St. Maarten. Allure of the Seas.